Hello, our names are Carlos, Esteban, and Maria Jose, and today we are going to show you how to cook chicken in beer.
First, for the appetizer, we will make patacones. The ingredients are green banana, salt, and ketchup. First, we will fill the frying pan with half the oil. Then, we put the green banana carefully. Remember, flip it. When they are golden, remove the green bananas. Now, crush the green banana. Also, you can use a clean stone for this step. We must wait 5 minutes to get back the green bananas again. And that is it. We have some delicious patacones to accompany with ketchup.
First, let's take the chicken dumps that we are going to cook and add some salt and pepper to taste. Then, we add a little oil in a high heat in a tall pot. Later, let's put the chicken. Let's let the chicken brown a little, leave it for about 2 minutes, and turn it over. With this, the chicken will brown on the outside but will remain round in the inside. When all the chicken is well browned, we will remove the pieces and leave them on a plate. After this, we will lower the power of the fire, and in the same oil we will add garlic cloves, onion, paprika, and well chopped carrots. Then add salt and pepper. Then mix all the ingredients well and let the cook for about 10 minutes on a very low heat. After this, we are going to return to the pot the damp chicken we had removed before. And now we are going to add some spices, dried thyme and a couple bay leaf. And then cover it with the beer that you like the most. Finally, let it cook for about 30 minutes over medium heat. Once the time has passed, we remove it from the fire and serve it.
First, we're going to make small pieces of chocolate so that it melts faster. Now, let's put it in a bain-marie, putting a smaller pot inside a bigger one. In the bigger pot, there must be water, so that it reaches its boiling point and melts the chocolate. We're going to wait 15 minutes, and that's it! We serve the chocolate with the strawberries that must be previously washed, and now we're going to enjoy this delicious dessert with the dish that we have prepared.